Hey YouTube beauties, it's your girl Miss Rachel Adina. How you doing? So it's been long waited for. Here is my skincare routine, my number one trick for maintaining glowy, dewy, poreless, natural skin without makeup. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. So derma rolling is probably my number one beauty secret. Honey, if you're not using it, I don't know what you're doing. It's literally salvation to the skin. So my face is currently struggling, but I did that on purpose. I broke out on purpose so that you guys can see how I repair my skin using the derma roller. So I hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned for this tutorial and let me know what you think. So before we get into the how-to, you want to make sure that your skin is well cleansed and exfoliated. And to take it a little step further, you want to do a mask. I'm going to be using my mint lemon mask that is made primarily with bentonite clay, which has some great benefits, also mixed in with a little bit of activated charcoal. So let's get started. So this video is going to be the first video of a two-part series where I share with you how I derma roll and also all the products that I use for my daily skincare routine. So after watching this video, head to my YouTube channel and check that out. So let's get right into this derma rolling. So ladies, I've been using the derma roller for about 3 years, and I must admit I was very skeptical about using one because it had a lot of claims. It claimed that it can do so many different things, and I was like, but how? But honestly, the derma roller is pure science that works. So as you can see, my skin is already getting red and I'm definitely feeling the burn of the 540 microneedles that I'm pressing into my skin. So the science behind microneedling is that when you lightly puncture your skin, your body sends a special type of blood that will help repair that area. So in turn, it ends up giving your skin another chance to heal from hyperpigmentation, fine wrinkles, and large pores. So as you can see, my skin is bleeding and I'm happy about it because it's working, but at the same time, I am definitely writhing in anguish and pain. But ladies, it's really not that bad. It doesn't hurt more than, say, waxing or lasering. So definitely go out and get you one. So the derma roller has been used for so much as stretch marks, premature aging, and also even hair loss. I haven't used it for hair loss, premature aging. It probably helps me with that area, but I really love it for helping my skin glow and also getting rid of hyperpigmentation. So the reason why the derma roller helps so well with my skin glowing is that it promotes something called cell turnover. That's when your skin is bruised or punctured and your body heals it, but over time you are able to shed a full layer of skin, revealing brand new skin at the bottom. So this helps with the fine wrinkles, it helps with the hyperpigmentation, and I've definitely seen results in all of those areas. So ladies, ultimately the derma roller has helped my skin so much in healing. I've noticed that my skin can rejuvenate itself even months after doing a few treatments of this microneedling. So also the derma roller, in short, helps promote collagen to the skin and sends healing enzymes. And ladies, there ain't no product on the market that can do all of that. So let me know in the comment section if you've ever microneedled or if you went to the spa and got this treatment professionally done with a micro pen. So ladies, we are done. It was painful, very uncomfortable, but we did it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Sephora Clean Skin Gel to just cleanse my face. Something very light, not anything too harsh after a treatment like this. You want to wash your face with cold water because trust me, your skin will burn. So I'm going to go in and use my Clinique clarifying lotion, which is a chemical exfoliator. Ladies, this burns so bad. Think of pouring acid on an open wound. Like, it hurts, but you got to do it because the number one risk of derma rolling, especially derma rolling at home, is that you can infect your skin. So you want to make sure that you clean out any trace of whatever can be bacteria or dirt on your face. So what you see me doing right here is calling on Jesus. This is the perfect moment to do that. It's painful, ladies, but once you get your first swab going, it doesn't really hurt that bad. The first wax strip is always the worst. So just think about that. After it, it's like, you all right, girl. You can do it. So you see my face is a little bit red. I'm going to use my organic Bulgarian Rose water and just let it sit on my face. Do not wipe it off because that cooling sensation is definitely going to calm the face down, and it has some great properties at brightening the skin. So we are all done. I'm going to use my Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer with an SPF of 15. You want to stay out of the sun today because it'll just make matters worse. Another thing you don't want to do is go to the gym because the salt when you sweat will burn your face. So what you saw right there was my vitamin C serum. I'm going to put that on my face as well. This also has great properties at improving the skin's ability to turn over cells and clear your skin and brighten dark spots. But this one burns, I think, even worse than the exfoliator lotion because it takes so much longer to absorb into your skin. So girl, you can definitely do this at least maybe about every 2 to 3 days. And I'm sure you will love your results and love your skin so much. I've noticed that my skin has been able to rejuvenate itself at a much faster rate, and because of that, I'm going to continue to do this. But stay tuned for my next couple of videos because I will be showing you guys my skin progress and how everything is going. So you know Miss Rachel had to gather all of them receipts, so you know it's real. But look at how my skin looks after 6 days of that one treatment. I don't think anybody on the internet got this Derma Roller review looking like this. So if you haven't already, subscribe for more like this. But honey, I told you. So ladies, give yourself about a full 24 hours before applying any extra makeup. This is how I'm going to rock it for the rest of the day. So thank you ladies so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and God bless. Bye. Tell me